Hello, good day for wherever you are seeing my video from. This is Diffuse tutorial. So today we'll be looking at how we can develop a VTU website with multiple payment gateway like Kuda, Payvesel, and every other payment gateway like Monnify. So with this kind of payment gateway now, your customer can generate account number virtually even without doing the KYC. Another benefit here is that VTU portal is strictly about you buying recharge card airtimes, turning your airtime to cash, buy data, send out to set up bulk SMS, airtime top up, and many other services. So for this website, you'll be able to set up a CAC registration where people can register their CAC for their business. You'll be able to also give out loans. Yes, you can also give us loans. So a lot of crazy and amazing features are added in this VTU website. And don't worry, you'll be able to get this file at the end of this video. I'm going to tell us on how we can get it, as you can see. So they can also get DSTV and GoTV. They can also recharge from your site and get their Wire and Echo pins easily. So as you can see here that we have, it's a very amazing website. So I built this for a client, and we're going to be doing the same thing together from scratch here. So you can also integrate app download. Maybe in case you have not set up your Google Play Store, but you have created the app. So I'll also teach you how you can create the app too here. So let's get started. So for you to be able to build this kind of VTU website, you need to get your domain and hosting. So I recommend this web hosting portal. So from here now, this is thishost.com.ng. So I'll be putting my referral link in the description. So if you're able to use my referral link, just send me a screenshot either in Telegram or WhatsApp. You can also join our Telegram group. So I give out files sometimes, maybe once in a while, or I give it out at a very lesser price. So for this now, so just have to sign up using my referral links, share me the screenshot, and I'm going to share this file with you for free. Just first 50 people that can, so just send me screenshots that you have gotten your web hosting with them and your domain. So I think their domain is very cheap, so you can just get a domain of .com.ng for just 8,000 naira, and you can get their hosting for just 1,000 naira per month. So you can change the currency. Maybe you're not in Nigeria, you want to pay in dollars, you can just change the currency at the top here. Just pick USD, or if you're in Ghana or anywhere you are, just pick the currency and purchase it. You can also message them for any kind of contact support that you need, or you can open a ticket at the top here. Once you register, just open a ticket. So I'm going to log in now to my file manager. So for you can just start with your bookings. Just search for your domain names. For example, I can just search for one randomly. Let's say Diffuse class. Let me just look for this. I'm just using this as a practical example. I already have a service with them. So let me just show you how to quickly do that in minutes. So as you can see, Diffuse class, we have .com.online. So by the time I scroll down, and they also offered DMC, ignore those things for people that want to set up or upload their investment site or anything related to sites that maybe investment, courier shipping, and all those. How will I put it? Is it related to pitching or anything like that? So they also offer the service. I think it's kind of 10,000 naira per year, so it's very cheap. So we have a domain.com.ng, and they have other services here. So you can also transfer your domain to them, as you can see. So from here now, what I'm going to do is very simple. So just click, as you have searched, let's say I want to pick this one, I just click on add. It has added, I'll click on continue. So just click on continue. I'm going to add my hosting. So email forwarder is free for 1 year. So my DNS management is just 8,000 naira for them to manage your domain for you. I just scroll down, and from here click on continue. So we'll click on continue. So you can easily add our hosting plan from this stage. So from here you are going to see coming. from here we can just scroll down and we're going to input our informations and add your hosting plan from there, and you can just make payments and checkouts from there. So it is as easy as that. But for me, I'll just click on login. I'm going to log in directly to the website, as you can see. So if you don't want to, once you have signed up, if you don't want to log in using your input, just use your sign in with Google. Are you getting it now? And you are good to go like that. But for me, I'll just sign in. I've already signed in with them, so I'm just going to input my I'll go to my file manager rather for practical of this class. So as you can see that I already built this site for a client, so I'll just come to this app, does my Vixen. But for you are going to upload the file in your public_html here, this one. So this are going to upload your own, but as you can see that I already have a file here already. So we're going to upload another one. I'm going to click on app here. I'll click on upload. So I'm going to upload from scratch. I'll click on select file. So I will locate the file wherever I save it. Alright, I'm uploading the file now. The file is uploading. So the next thing we're going to be doing is to create our database for this. So I will come back here. I'll search for database. Okay, you see database wizard. Just click on it. I clicked on database wizard. So it's going to load. Now we need to create our database. I want to create a database name. So I'll just give it class 1. Or let me just use diffuse 2. Where is diffuse 2? So I need to copy the name. I'm still going to use it for the remaining parts too. I'll just copy it. I'll click on next. So as I click on next, let me try to restore this battery. Okay. So I click on next here. So I'm going to also paste it here. I'm going to use this as our password. I'll copy this one. So I will paste here and I will paste here. So for you can just click on password generate, but for me I use this name that is gave me here. So for me I'll just click on create user. Click on create user. So it's loading up. Good. So from here I'll just click on all privileges. So if you use a different name for your database, just try and copy this and paste it in your notepad, because you'll be needing it later. I'll be showing you where you're going to be uploading it. So you just have to scroll down, click on next step. Don't forget to click on all privileges. This one. Click on all privileges so that it can mark all those boxes. So now click on return home. So like this now, we have created a database. Now let's see, maybe the file we are uploading has done uploading. Good. Once it has shown green 100%, that means it has uploaded. Now click on go back home. So click on go back home. Yeah, we are going to extract the file here. Click on extract. So we are extracting the file in the subdomain. But if it is for you, we are uploading that public_html. You're going to see public_html here. So click on extract file. And we're going to click on close. So from here now we can see that we have extracted our file. So this zip file now, we are going to delete it. We don't need it anymore. Let's click on it and click on delete. So just confirm and delete it. So from here now we need to download our SQL file, because we need to upload our SQL file. This is our SQL file here. Just right click on it. I will download it. It has downloaded. We'll go back to that place again. I'm now going to search for phpMyAdmin. Search for phpMyAdmin. So we're going to upload our SQL file under phpMyAdmin. So it's still loading up. So from here now we're going to look for database name we created the other time. This is it. This is the database name we created. So we're now going to click on import. Click on import. So we're going to choose the file. I'm going to choose that file. So let's locate it. Let me click on quick access. Maybe I'm going to quickly see it. The quick access. I think the name is easy data. Let me search for it. Sorry, let me quickly search for it here. is data. So no, it's not here. So let's look at other places. I think it should be on desktop. Look at desktop. Or let's quickly look for where it's download. But this is not going to waste our time. Let me go and look at the location. It's loading up. So it's under, okay, it's under this folder. Now let me just move it to a place that we easily see it. Copy, let me just paste it here. Or let me just paste it under Western, this place here. Good, so we can now go and upload it now. Now you now click on choose file. So I think we can easily locate it now. Is data, okay, there is it. Click on open. So from here now, once I've uploaded it here, just scroll down and click on import. So click on import. So it has finished importing now, and don't forget that our database name I told us the other time, we are going to put inside our file we uploaded. So let me quickly locate that. So we are going to come to your, let's come to under core, come to under core model.php, and click on edit. So click on edit again. So we need to change our database name inside our file. You know we created our database name the other time, so we need to change the name inside our file. So from here now, just don't type, just copy and paste. Okay, let me go and locate it again. I think I copied the other time, so let me just database comment. Okay, since this is the name, let me stress myself, just copy the name here. Copy, okay. So don't forget I use one name for everything. So I'll just come here and I'll just paste. I like this one too, I'll just paste. I like this one too, and I'll just paste. So that's it now. So we will change the email information here, because this is where you're going to be setting your email. Where if you want to send out bulk emails to your customers, this is where you're going to be setting your SMTP. So just click on save changes. So from here now we need to check our subdomain where we upload our file to see maybe the file is working now, app.myvicsub.com. Now let's go back here to the top app. Sorry, one of my keyboard is not working. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it will stop working. I don't know. So I'll just search again. app.myvicsub.com.ng. Okay, now press enter. Let's see, maybe we did the right thing. So if you actually do the right thing, good. So the file is uploaded, but this is the demo that came with it. We need to change those names, change the logo, or remove the logo totally. So we need to change some of these write-ups here. So how do we do that? We go back to our file manager. Or first of all, right click on the home page and click on inspect. Right click and click on inspect. So we want to see where the folder, where the logo is located. So we click on inspect. Let's wait for it to load. So from here now, I'm going to move my mouse. So from here, I'm going to come to this side. Click on this thing that looks like a tablet. Click on it. Come down to your logo. Come to that logo. Sorry, come to that logo. Okay, I'm on the logo now. So if you look to your right, you are going to see where the logo. Click on it first. You see where the logo is located. It's showing that image/logo.png. Image/logo.png. So that is under index.html. Image/logo.png. So how do you locate that? Come back to your file manager. Come to your file manager here. So under here, so we're going to look for images. images. So that is images, that is logo.png. I'm going to locate logo.png. So let's look for logo.png now together. So scroll down gently so that I can easily see it. Alright, this is logo.png. So you can either replace it with your own logo. So how do you replace it? That first of all, view it. So once you view it, so if you are designing a logo, look for the best aspect ratio that is good for you. Are you getting it now? So if this aspect ratio is too big, so you can just pick the smaller one. But for me, I am deleting it because I don't need this there. The site I showed you the other time, you can see there is no logo there and it's much more unique, but you can just leave a text at the top. But the text is also showing, here, but you can just create a small logo of very small landscape logo and replace it with the one there. So how do you replace it now is what I want to show you so that you can see in case. So just have to, if you want to change the logo, just copy the name. If you copy the name, so you will now click on delete. You delete this one. You delete this one like this. Once you delete this one, you now click on upload to upload a new logo there. You now rename it to the name that you saw in the previous one. If you save it, it's going to work. So that is how it is done. So we change the name now. So by the time I refresh the site, the demo that we, sorry for this. So I decide to refresh this site now. The logo is supposed to be out of here. So let's wait to see, maybe we're actually doing the right thing. The logo is not yet out, so that means we still need to locate. Maybe there is a particular file again with the name logo again. Alright, so or possibly we need to check using different browser, because sometimes the cache on that browser may be causing that. So if I decide to use a different browser to check, let's see, maybe I need a different browser. So I want to try to use a different browser now. So I'm going to click on this and just paste. Alright, now can you see that the logo is no more here? So it's because that the one we are using before is still catching the URL. It has not propagated yet. So the logo has removed now. The next thing is for you to change all these names. I will just show you how to change those names in case of maybe you are doing this for a client. How you can change all these names, like this one now, easy data now. Maybe the person's name is diffuse VTU. Are you getting it now? So I have to change anywhere you see easy data. I'm going to change the name to the name of the brand. Same things down to the footer section. I'm going to change everything. So let's do that together now. So you're going to come back here and come back to your file manager. So from here, I'm going to come to index.html. Let's click on it and click on edit. Click on edit. So it's loading up. So from here now, to make it much more faster for you, just click on Ctrl F. So if you are using a Apple laptop, just press Command F. It's going to bring up the search box for you here. So from here, what I'm going to do is very, very simple. Just type easy data, that name, the name that you want to change is data. So just type that name is data, as you can see. So we have 21 names to change, as you can see now. So what I'm now going to do is very simple. Just double click where you see those names and put, okay, let me just put test 002 as the name. Are you getting it now? So I'm going to copy that name so that I'll just be replacing it with others. So from there, I'll just come back to this arrow and click on next. I'll change this name. I'll press Ctrl V to paste it. I'll move down again. I'll press Ctrl V to paste. Move down again. So this is how you change anywhere you see is data. So I'm just using this as a practical example. I may not finish this, but I just want to show you. So let's assume you are done changing all those names. Just click on Save Changes. Click on save changes and come back here to refresh your site to see maybe those names has changed. So if you refresh it now, you can see that this one has not yet changed, but if you scroll down, the effect will be showing on some of it. Let me see. Refresh it again. It's not catching it yet, but if you clear your browser history, it will be changing. All those names that will have changed. I guess, and so that's how you do it. So that's how you do it. So it's a very simple something. Now let's quickly dive down. Let me go back. So let's dive down to where we can see the user dashboard. So that's how we can upload the file. Now let's go back to the admin. So how do you quickly get the admin dashboard? Sorry, I'm coming. Let me reload this. So let me just close the tab and open again. Coming. Alright, I just want to, so we need to get access to the admin dashboard. So just have to press /admin. So how do you know that it's /admin? Sometimes they may have changed the folder name. So how do you know that? Come back here, come to, why is this thing picking up my mouse? Come down to where you upload your file. So as you can see now, they changed this one name. It's supposed to be admin here, but they changed it to work desk. So if I should put /admin, it's not going to work. And they did this for security purposes. Are you getting it now? So let me type admin. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. It's not going to show me anything. Can you see? Error 404. But let me input this name. Let me input this name. You see that it's going to work. Let me input that name. And I press enter. Okay, sorry. I did not copy the name the other time. Copied it now. Let me paste it again. What is the name? Say work desk. Let me type it. I don't know why it's not copying. Work desk. So I press enter. So as you can see now, the admin is working. So how do you get the admin username and password? Come back here. Under your, you're going to click. Under your PHP admin. You're going to see where you see system user or admin. User. Look, system user. So this is your admin username. This is your admin password. So our admin username is this. Let's copy it first. You can change it, but for this practical, I'm not changing anything. So just paste the username and the password. Sorry, and the password here. You just I'll just paste the password here. Now click on login. You can see successful. So we're about to log into our admin dashboard. So let me quickly show you on how you can add your payment gateway and how you can add your API. I think that's one of the most important things here. So you scroll down here, you come down. So for you to see how many payment gateway we have here, I think we have about 6 or 7 payment gateway. So as you can see, you can change your site details here. Let me click on that. You can change your site, so you can put the name of your website here, change the website URL, API documentation. You can set up a KYC. So it's a thing that you can just work around with. It's very simple to do. You can charge them. If you have bonus 15 naira, you can increase 100 naira. It just depends on 20 naira. It depends on how you want it. Your KYC BVN verification, as you can see. So KYC and verification charges. How much you want to charge for doing KYC? So you can do that. You can make it free just to attract customers. So I'm going to go back. So I'll go back here. So from here now, I'll come down. Let me show you the payment gateway first. The payment gateway is here. It's loading. So we have Monnify, we have Payvesel, we have Payvesel, Kuda, Aspify, VP. but all of them are working. The thing is, you just have to. But for me, I used to use either VTUstack or Payvesel, because if you sign up with Payvesel and want to use their documentation, it is very fast. They easily verify very fast. So if I click on this now, you can see what they're going to add there. So they're going to give you a business ID. The business ID, once you sign up with them and they confirm your business, they're going to give you a business ID. It will be on your dashboard. Just come and paste it here. Your Payvesel API key to be on your dashboard, paste it here, and the secret key. So how much do you want to charge them percentage per their deposit on your site? You charge them and you can earn it. So once every user sign up and they want to fund their wallet, it will automatically generate an account number for them. Let me use this one as an example. Look at this site now. I did for a client. I click on login. Then I click on user login. Let me see, so that you can see this is the one I did for a client. So you can see that it's showing diffuse. So let me see, maybe the password, maybe it's going to work. I'm not sure I remember my password. I'm not sure I remember my password. I'm not sure I remember my password, but it's a thing you can easily sign up and I'm coming. But automatically it's going to generate a password automatically for you. So generate automatically for you. So people that use Payvesel know what I'm actually saying, that is one of the easiest way to set up a VTU website for your clients, and you don't have any KYC issue with their clients. So that is just about that. So that is for the payment gateway, and same method goes to other payment gateway that you saw on the site. So the next thing is the API key. Let me quickly go back to that. So for the API key, let me scroll up. For the API key, you're going to see add API, or we can just pick data API. Let me click on data API. So for this, you can see, so you need to get some website where you can generate the API from, and I recommend you can use that my Vixel, but you can go to ByteBridge VTU. So once you sign up with them, so I'm not in affiliate with them, or I don't have anything related, but I'm going to drop a link in the description in case you want to use them. So once you sign up with them, just message them on WhatsApp that okay, you want to use the API key, and they're going to give you and they're going to generate it on your website. So once you click on your website and you click on develop API, you're going to see the API key. It's going to be something like this, like the one I showed you the other time. It's going to be something like this one. So you can just come here and replace the API keys. They are very simple to do, very simple. So once you're done for MTN, you click on Airtel, you replace, you click on Glo, you replace, you click on iMobile, you replace. So that is how you set up your VTU website very fast with multiple payment gateway. You can use about 3 payment gateway. It just depends on how fast you are and how you want people to enjoy your services. So that is about that. Same thing goes to the airtime. This is for data now. Same thing goes to airtime, and same thing goes to data coupon. So that was just about that. And is there any other thing I've not touched? Let me see. Oh yeah, if you want to add services, so I click on service. So you say you want to add data plans where people can purchase data plans. I click on manage. So you can add data plans from here. As you can see that these previous users have added some data plans here, their prices, as you can see, their amounts. So for you now, if you want to add data plan for users, so the user can be able to. I don't think I've even shown you the user dashboard. No, I've not shown you user dashboard. I'm going to show you very soon. So click on add new. So you want to select network. So let's say you want to select MTN. You want to add user information. So let's assume that we added this ByteBridge to our website. Let me click on login. I have an account with them. So I'm just going to use one as a practical example, and we'll proceed. Okay, it's not on this browser, but let me see if I can Korean. So as you can see now that yes, that this is ByteBridge. If you scroll down now, you can see that developer API is activated for me. Let me click on it now and show you something. Alright, as you can see, this is the API key they gave to me. As you can see now. So now let me quickly show you how you can add the your own data API to your site. For example, now this is your API ID, the data ID for MTN. You're going to copy it. You come back to that site. So you're going to come back to your site here. So now this is MTN, this is your plan ID, the one I show you that you copied, paste it. The next thing is to come back. The price is how much? 2,250. Copy it for 6 gig for 7 days. Come back here. You put the price you copied. Sorry. 2,000 what safe? 2,550. So I'm going to come back here. You can copy it and paste it. I'm just trying to 2,550. That's the price they give to you. So you can now put your own charges. Like maybe you want to charge 3,000 for this service. Are you getting now? So 3,000. So how much? Because on your site now, agents cannot register on your own personal site. They can give your agent maybe 2,000, 2,007. Same thing goes to your vendor. Are you getting it now? Same thing goes to your vendor, as you can see. So that plan is how many days? It's 7 days plan, and it's under gifting. And the name of the plan is how many gig? Let me check. It's how many gig? 6 gig. So you can just, instead of you typing, just copy. Just come and copy and paste. So just copy 6 gig and highlight and you click on, sorry. Alright, 6 gig. Okay, let me just remove this. I'll just type 6 gig. As you can see now, you have set up the plan for that. So that's how I set up your plan. Just click on add plan. If you click on add plan, so it's going to add up and it's going to reflect to the user. Are you getting it now? So that is how the admin dashboard work. So now let me show you how the user dashboard look like. So for the user dashboard, I'm coming. Let me go back. So for the user dashboard, let me log out from this admin. Or instead, let me just erase this one. Click on enter. So it's going to take me to the home page. Now I'm going to click on login now. Let me click on login. So I'm a new user. Let me just create an account. Let me create an account as a new user. So I'm going to put my first name. Let me just call it for test. So I'm just going to put any random name and any random phone number there, just for test here. So let me look for a very nice email so that click on continue. Then let me just put one password. Let me just put one password there. I'm just going to use it as I'm just going to use this one randomly. I'm going to create my PIN. I'm going to click on register. So I've registered successfully and it's going to take me to the dashboard. So let's wait for it to load. Alright, this is the user dashboard, as you can see. Welcome back. We have everything you need. So you can change all these pop-up. Just click on OK, as you can see. So this is the user dashboard. So user can be able to buy fund their account, they can add money, they can buy data, airtime, they can take loan, transfers, gift cards, and exam pins. So everything you can set from the admin dashboard. So this is how you can set up this VTU website, 2025 with multiple payment gateways, and for you to be able to perform your seamless transactions. Like I said earlier, if you need this kind of script, you can get it in two ways. It's either you buy it from the description, or you make use of that hosting portal that I explained the other time. Send me a screenshot to the WhatsApp or my Telegram, and I'm going to send the file to you free of charge. Thank you so much. See you all in the next video.